Today we have a new task. What we have to do is to build a function to find the nearest square number of the argument that we put in. If we already put in a perfect square, we can just return the argument. How to go about this? Well, first of all, we have to find the root of the argument. So when we multiply something by the power of 2, we get the argument. But what do we multiply by the power of 2? That's the root. So what we can do is to multiply by a power of a half to find the root. So when we print root, let's have a look here. Then we get 1. Yeah, 1 is the root. Here we get 1.4. The third case will be 3.1. Then we have 10.53 and a handful of numbers. And the last one will be 99.99 and another handful of numbers. What we have to do here is to round this number. What do I mean by that? Well, when I use the built-in round function right here, we will see that all the numbers that are below 0.5 will be rounded down, and all the numbers that are above 0.5 will be rounded up. Let's test it again. And you might guess where we are going. As you can see, these are the rounded numbers. 1, 1, 3, 11. And let's have a look to the right side. When we multiply 1 by the power of 2, we get 1. When we multiply another 1 by the power of 2, we get another 1. When we multiply 3 by the power of 2, we get 9. And when we multiply 11 with the power of 2, we get 121. Let's have a look here and test it out. And there we have it. In other words, by the act of rounding, we find the root that is necessary to find the most nearest square. So let's return this and test it out. There we go. Well, I hope this video has been useful. I hope to see you in another video. Ciao.